Just listen carefully right now. This story is not random entertainment. This story is quietly about your life, about days you are wasting slowly, about dreams waiting inside your chest, about time leaving without permission. You are not lazy, just distracted daily. You are not stupid, just delaying action. You are not weak, just avoiding discomfort. But one day will come suddenly. You will look back at years and ask one painful question inside. Why did I waste everything? Part 1. Don't waste your life. The quiet beginning. Stop scrolling for one moment now. This is not just another story. This is a warning dressed as story. A soft voice calling you back to the life you ignore. Every morning looks almost same. Same phone, same bed, same excuses. You say, tomorrow I will start. Tomorrow smiles and walks away. Time never waits for readiness. Time moves even when you don't. Seconds fall like silent rain. You feel nothing but lose everything. There was a boy named Adam once. Adam was not special at all. No magic talent, no rich family. Just dreams sleeping inside his mind. Adam woke up every single day. He promised himself small changes. I will start after breakfast. I will start after one video. One video became 10 videos. 10 minutes became 2 hours. The sun moved across sky slowly. Adam stayed exactly where he was. At night, guilt visited him quietly. It sat beside his tired heart. You wasted today again, it whispered. Adam turned his face away silently. He believed time was still plenty. He believed youth was endless resource. He believed life would wait politely. But life never waits for anyone. One afternoon, Adam met an old man. The man sat alone in park. His eyes carried many silent years. Adam felt something strange inside. The old man smiled gently first. You look tired without working, he said. Adam laughed, slightly uncomfortable inside. I am just confused, Adam replied. The old man nodded very slowly. I know that feeling very well. They sat together in silence. Birds moved freely above them. People passed without noticing anything. Then the old man spoke softly. Most people don't waste money. They waste days, hours, moments. Adam felt his chest tighten slightly. The words felt heavy but true. The old man continued calmly. You think you have enough time. I thought same when young. He looked at his shaking hands. These hands once held big dreams. Now they hold only regrets. Adam swallowed hard, feeling scared. He wanted to escape this talk, but his feet stayed frozen there. What should I do then? Adam asked. The old man smiled sadly again. Stop waiting for perfect moments. Life starts while you hesitate. Those words followed Adam home. They echoed inside his quiet room. His phone screen felt suddenly heavier. That night, Adam could not sleep. He watched the ceiling for long hours. Time felt louder than before. He realized something uncomfortable truth. No one was coming to save him. No miracle would change his life. Only action could save him. But action felt scary and painful. Comfort felt warm and safe instead. Adam stood between two doors silently. One door was comfort and excuses. Other door was growth and fear. And most people choose comfort daily. Part 2. The Inner Fight. Morning came without any excitement. Alarm rang. Adam closed it quickly. Another day started exactly same. He remembered the old man's words. They felt heavier in morning light, but habits pulled him back strongly. Adam opened phone without thinking. News, videos, jokes filled his head. Minutes disappeared without saying goodbye. Inside him, two voices started arguing. One voice wanted comfort and ease. Other voice wanted change and effort. "Relax today, start tomorrow," said comfort. "You are still young," it added softly. "Start now, before time escapes," said courage. "You already waited too long," it warned. Adam sat on bed, confused deeply. Fear wrapped around his chest tightly. Change looked big, unclear, and painful. Comfort looked small, warm, and friendly. Most people choose friendly lies daily. Adam chose comfort again that day. Days passed without any big difference. Weeks followed quietly behind them. Adam felt busy but achieved nothing. He worked, ate, slept, repeated daily. Life became a boring background noise. Sometimes motivation visited him briefly. It knocked loudly for a few minutes, but discipline never opened the door. One evening, Adam met his friend. His friend looked tired but peaceful. There was something different in his eyes. "What changed you?" Adam asked honestly. His friend smiled, not proudly, calmly. "I stopped waiting to feel ready. I started while feeling afraid." Those words hit Adam deeply again. Fear was common between everyone. Action was the real difference maker. That night, Adam tried something small. He turned phone off early. He wrote one simple life goal. Not a big goal, just step. Something he could do tomorrow. Sleep came easier that night. But next morning tested him again. Fear returned stronger than before. Comfort whispered louder than courage. "What if you fail?" Fear asked. "What if people laugh?" Fear continued. Adam's hands started shaking slightly. Old habits begged him to return. He almost gave up again. Then he remembered the old man's eyes, hands full of regret and silence, a future Adam didn't want. That image pushed him forward slowly. One step, not perfect, but real. Adam did the small action. It felt awkward, slow, uncomfortable, but it was done, finally. No applause came from outside. No miracle happened immediately, but something changed inside him quietly. For the first time, Adam moved, and movement creates confidence slowly. Part 3. The Wake-Up Moment. Life does not warn before changing suddenly. Adam learned this lesson one quiet afternoon. The phone rang while Adam was working. His mother's voice sounded different, weak. "Your father collapsed at work today." Those words froze Adam's entire body instantly. Time slowed painfully for him. Every step to the hospital felt heavy. The smell of medicine filled the air. Machines made cold, heartless sounds nearby. Adam saw his father lying silently there. Strong hands now looked tired and thin. Memories attacked Adam without any mercy. His father waking up every single day, working hard without ever complaining once. "It will rest later," his father always said. Later never came for him. Adam felt anger mixed with deep regret, not at his father, but himself. All those wasted mornings returned suddenly. All those tomorrow promises mocked him now. Adam sat alone outside the room. Fear became very real and close. What if time ends without warning? What if dreams die unopened forever? That night, Adam walked home slowly. City lights looked empty and cold. He realized something painful but clear. Life does not wait for motivation. Life moves forward, ready or not, and time charges interest on delay. Adam remembered the old man's hands again. Regret was the final destination of delay. That night, Adam made a decision,
Not loud, not emotional, but serious. I will stop wasting my life now. No perfect plan, no huge confidence, just daily action without excuses. Fear would walk with him daily, but regret would not follow anymore. That night, Adam slept peacefully, not because life improved immediately, but because he finally chose movement. And once you choose movement, life slowly begins to respect you. Part 4. The Daily Discipline. Change did not arrive with loud excitement. It came quietly, early each morning. Adam woke up before his alarm daily, not motivated, just committed to act. Some mornings felt extremely heavy inside. His bed begged him to stay longer. Come
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.